Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Bukola here. Today we'll be taking a look at FLEXCLIP. So FLEXCLIP is an online video editor and video maker that you can use to create videos. With FLEXCLIP, you can create videos in minutes with no video design experience. It is very easy to use. So this is their website, and you can also download it to your computer. There are a lot of things you can do with this video creator and editor, a whole lot of things, guys. So it makes work so easy for you, and they've got a lot of templates that you can use. So you can either choose to create your video from scratch, or you work on their templates. If you have a small business, if you're a business owner, or you have a YouTube channel, you create videos for businesses, you can use FLEXCLIP because it really makes work easy for you. And you can actually make money by creating videos for small businesses, even for organizations. And FLEXCLIP makes video creating so easy. And if you want to boost your family income, you can start creating videos to make money, whether you are a full-time working mom or you are a stay-at-home mom to take care of your children. You can start making money by creating videos. You can actually go to Facebook, contact small businesses there and tell them what you're capable of doing. You can create videos for their businesses. You might even create a video for them. You watermark it, send it to them, and just show them what you have created for them. So you can make money creating videos. This is a side hustle ideas for you, mom, and not just moms. Everyone, for everybody. I do this sometimes, but my husband does this professionally, so I do like the small jobs and he does the big ones. And it usually takes him 3 to 6 hours to create videos, but with FLEXCLIP, you make videos in minutes. All you need are just your pictures, and on FLEXCLIP you can use their stock videos, stock pictures. It depends on the type of video you are creating. And I have a small business, Beshias. I have a clothing business online, and sometimes I use FLEXCLIP if my husband is busy with other works. I just come to FLEXCLIP to create my own video without having to wait for him. One of the things I like about FLEXCLIP is that you can upload your fonts. If you have special fonts you can upload it right here. Let me try to log out, sign out. So okay, so as you can see, it says online video editing and creation made easy with FLEXCLIP. Easily create and edit videos for the brand, marketing, social media, for anything you want, because they have templates already that can do the job for you. They have templates that can do it for you. You can, as I told you earlier, you can create your videos from scratch or just use the templates. Let's explore some templates they have here. Okay, so maybe for example, if you have a skincare business, you can use this for your video because the work is done already. You can just add your text, or you can actually use your own video if you want. So you can just choose the templates you want here. So let me say, for example, you are a YouTube. So if you want to create your channel trailer, you can do that with FLEXCLIP. You want to create your intro, you can do it here your outro as well. It's so easy. They have lots of templates you can use, loads and loads of templates you can use. So let's try one of the templates. We can try this logo template. So you just click on customize to customize it to your taste. So what I'm gonna do right now is to upload my logo. I'm gonna upload it right here. Okay, so now that it's uploaded, as you can see, it's not the size I want, so I'm gonna go to the crop icon, click on it to adjust my logo. So this is what you're gonna do to adjust your logo if it's not the right size you want, right? So now I go ahead to put my logo name. This is just a sample. I'm just showing you how you can create with FLEXCLIP Video Maker. So I insert the name, and that's it, guys. It's so easy. It's so easy. I can choose the color I want. I can change the color, change the position. I can change my font. And that's it, guys. So that's it with this logo maker. This is just, I'm just showing you a template and how you can just create something for yourself, create your logo. And we can try also to create something else. Let us create something else. Okay, so okay, since we're in the Christmas period, the festive period, let us click on Christmas and just create something as maybe if you have a business, you can create something using the Christmas video template. So I'm going to choose the pre-Christmas sale. I'm going to click on that and work on that. All right, so customize. Yeah, so as you can see, so all you have to do right now is just to edit the text and edit the logo. So we can just change everything. We can change everything here. So I'm going to click on customize and okay, it's loading. Okay, so I'm going to start by changing my text and maybe just go ahead to just click something, write something. Yeah, so I'm gonna write special. This is just a sample, guys. I'm just showing you how you can create videos with the templates. So special Christmas sale, and that's all. Add your logo. So you just place it wherever you want. You place your text wherever you want. You put your logo. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to go adjust my logo. Remember, you have to go to the crop icon to adjust your logo if when you see the size is not what you want. So put in your website. By the way, guys, I have a clothing business and you might want to check it out, www.beshias.com. I have an online clothing boutique in case you want to check it out, guys. So that's it. And okay, and our video is ready. It's so ready. Our video is ready. Can you see, guys? So, and if you like what you've done, if you like your project, then you just go ahead to export it, and you choose the resolution you want. So, and it's very easy to use. It's very easy to use, guys. So you export it, and the exporting doesn't take time at all. It doesn't take time at all. It's so fast. And you can choose to create a GIF or an MP4 video. Okay, so you just name your video, and that's it, guys. So the video is, so you can, after the video has been exported, you can even decide to share it directly to YouTube, or you just you just choose whatever you want to do. So let's talk about the different packages. Free one, which is $0 per month, so it gives you a possibility to make a video in 480 pixel SD download and one stock video per project. So you can only use one stock video per project. So if you have different projects, you can only use one stock video for it. A maximum of 12 projects per month. So you can only make 12 projects in a month, and you can't record up to, you can't create a video which is more than 1 minute. Okay, so the video length is up to 1 minute. So we have the $5.99 per month. So as you can see here, 720 pixel HD downloads, one stock video per project, save unlimited projects online. So you don't have a limitation to the project you can create online. The video length is up to 3 minutes, while the free one is up to 1 minute. So your custom watermark, no FLEXCLIP intro, 10 gigabytes of cloud space. Then we have this one, which is the $9.99. Many people prefer this package. If you choose the annual billing, you're gonna pay less. So it will be better to pay annually instead of paying per month. So these are the things you can do as well with this plan. There's the 5 stock videos per project, so it's no longer one stock video per project. So you can add up to 5 stock videos in your project. Save unlimited projects online. Video length up to 10 minutes, this time. Custom watermark, and there is, you have more space. And one thing I didn't tell you about FLEXCLIP is that it saves your project. So maybe you forget to save, you don't lost your project thanks to the cloud space. You don't lost your project, and this is one of the things I love about it. There are other video editor I'm using. If I don't save, all my work is lost. Okay, so this is the plan I'm currently using, which is the business plan, which is $19.99 per month, but it gives you access to a whole lot of things. You can create as many projects as you want, save unlimited projects online, unlimited stock videos per project. So if you want to start making money with video creating, you can start, with the popular plan, the plus package. So, but if you want to take it to another level, if you started making money and you've got so much work, you move to this plan, which is the business plan. So, and you have up to 100 gigabyte cloud space. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. If you have any question about video editing, if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. So guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description box. You can just click it to go choose your plan. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao. Thanks for watching.